I scared the shit out of one of the workers, one of the girls at the truck stop. I came out of I got a shower, right? My teeth are driving me crazy, I apologize. So I came out of the shower. I just went and got a shower at the truck stop down here in Mifflin Town. And I walked out of the bathroom and she didn't see me. And I thought she heard me, but she didn't see me. I come around the corner and she was there stocking a shelf, and I went, woo! Damn! I feel like a woman. Bow, bow, bow. And she jumped. I scared her. I scared her so bad. It was hilarious. I don't know her name. I can't remember. She has a name tag, but I felt bad, but yet I laughed. You know, I felt so bad. It was hilarious. It was hilarious. These teeth, they're driving me nuts. They're driving me nuts. I gotta get them. I gotta do something about them. I put too much stuff in there. That silicone, the denture sure fit. I put too much of it in there, so now they won't stay sucked up in there. So I gotta try to take some out or completely redo it. One of the two's gotta happen. I'm not sure which of the two is gonna happen yet. Like, I keep whittling away at it, trying to make it better, but like, it's getting frustrating. But yeah, to the girl at the truck stop, I apologize for making you piss yourself. My bad. Peace and love, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great week. It's Thursday. I got one more loop, and I'm done. I'm done for the week. I'm on my way to get it now. I gotta go drop my trailer, hook into that trailer, drive to Allentown, drop that trailer, hook to an empty trailer, bring that trailer back, drop that trailer, do my paperwork, grab a few things, drive home, and that's it. It's a wrap. Hell freaking yeah. Hallelujah. 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 Have a good one. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Let's go. IBO, baby. No rangefinders. This is gonna suck. I love my rangefinder. I do. I love my rangefinder. We'll see. I just hope I don't lose an arrow, and I hope that I shoot like even. Like, I just don't want to shoot like a 270 or 370, 380. Like, that'll be horrible for me. But like, if I could shoot an even 400, I'd be satisfied. I ain't gonna be like ecstatic, but I'll be satisfied. So, it is what it is. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend. Get out and shoot your bows. And if you're from the central Pennsylvania area, Queen Rod and Gun Club, the guys from Bellwood, they are shooting on Sunday down at the Queen Rod and Gun Club. Go shoot your bows. Go get out and shoot down at Queen. Get out there and support your local guys, man. Go support them. If I was going to be home, if I'm home for whatever reason on Sunday and I'm able to go shoot, man, I'm going to go shoot. I don't know if I'm going to be home with the IBO, though. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see. Like and subscribe. See you guys.